The journey begins, transporting hundreds of tons of machinery across vast distances. Hour after hour, the crane moves massive.
Day and night, the giant works without rest. Velocity, driving progress non-stop.
With non-stop lifting, massive structure.
The legacy of heavy industry stretches across continents.
From empty ground to towering landmark Winnie, progress happens one lift at a time.
Inside these massive halls, the world's most powerful industrial cranes are built. Machines designed to lift the impossible.
Everything begins with ultra-high-strength steel, the foundation of machines built to carry extreme loads.
Every steel plate is tested with extreme precision, ensuring strength, durability, and absolute safety. Advanced robotic systems cut massive steel plates into precise crane components with incredible accuracy.
Extreme heat prepares the steel for forging, transforming raw metal into high-strength crane structures.
Under thousands of tons of pressure, red-hot steel is forged into powerful structural components built to withstand extreme loads. Advanced robotic welders join massive steel sections with millimeter precision, creating the crane's towering boom structure.
The massive crane base takes shape, a foundation built to support unimaginable weight. These powerful hydraulic systems give the crane its incredible lifting strength and precise control. Massive counterweights are installed to balance the crane during extreme heavy lifts. Laser-guided systems ensure every massive component aligns with millimeter-perfect accuracy.
Massive boom sections travel across the facility, each one weighing tens of tons.
Piece by piece, the crane's towering boom rises toward the ceiling.
High-strength welding permanently locks the massive boom sections together.
Controlled cooling strengthens every joint, ensuring long-term durability under extreme loads.
The crane's control cabin becomes the command center, giving operators complete control over massive lifts.
Smart sensors continuously monitor stress, load, and movement, keeping every lift safe and precise.
Engineers carefully balance the crane, ensuring stability even under extreme lifting conditions. For the first time, the massive crane comes to life. Now the crane prepares for its ultimate challenge, extreme load testing. The real test begins as hundreds of tons prepare to rise for the first time. Hundreds of tons lift effortlessly, proving the crane's immense strength.
Thousands of sensors measure every force acting across the crane's structure.
At full extension, the crane holds extreme weight with total control.
Even while rotating under massive weight, the crane remains perfectly balanced. In an emergency, the crane can stop instantly, keeping both workers and structures safe. Millimeter-level control allows massive loads to be placed with perfect precision. Endurance tests push hydraulic systems through thousands of heavy load cycles. Every weld and joint is inspected to guarantee absolute structural integrity.
After passing every extreme test, the crane is officially approved for mega construction work.
To reach massive construction sites, the giant crane is carefully disassembled for transport.
Each massive component is secured onto heavy transport vehicles for its journey to the project site.
The journey begins, transporting hundreds of tons of machinery across vast distances. At the mega project site, the crane's next mission is about to begin. Piece by piece, the giant crane rises once again, ready for real-world heavy lifting. Massive counterweights are installed to balance the crane during extreme heavy lifts on site. The crane performs its first real-world heavy lift, Delina, placing massive steel into the heart of construction. Hour after hour, the crane moves massive structures into place with relentless precision. Even in the tightest spaces, massive loads are placed with surgical accuracy. Towering above the city, the crane becomes the driving force behind modern MEG. Even after sunset, the giant never rests. Building continues through the night. Rain, wind, and harsh conditions never stop progress. At extreme heights, every movement must be flawless. Sometimes, even one giant is not enough. Teamwork lifts the heaviest structures. Built to withstand nature's forces, the crane remains steady under extreme conditions. At night, precision becomes even more critical as massive structures slide into place.
Day and night, the giant works without rest, Little driving progress non-stop.
Concrete structures weighing hundreds of tons are lifted with effortless control.
Copy that, slow hoist. From the ground up, mega projects take shape under the power of industrial giants.
Engineers prepare the crane for one of the heaviest lifts in its operational history. Hundreds of tons rise effortlessly, proving the crane's immense strength. Advanced systems measure every force acting on the crane during extreme lifting. Even under record-breaking weight, the crane remains perfectly stable. Massive loads are lowered with millimeter-perfect precision.
After extreme lifts, every component is checked to ensure lasting strength. All extreme load tests are complete. The crane is fully certified for operation.
Certified and proven, the crane returns to building the future. Entire building sections are lifted and installed in a single move. With non-stop lifting, massive structures rise faster than ever before. The final structural piece is placed en mold, completing the massive framework. From raw steel to towering landmarks, the crane turns vision into reality. Entire skylines are reshaped by the power of heavy industry. Mega construction fuels economic growth and opportunity. Even at the end, every movement demands absolute precision. From steel and engineering, a new chapter of progress stands complete. One completed project leads to many more. Progress never stops.
Behind every mega project are thousands of skilled hands shaping the future.
Mega construction becomes the foundation of everyday modern life.
Even after completing one mission, the giant moves on to build again.
With every sunrise, a new chapter of progress begins.
Across the world, industrial giants shape the future of civilization. Mega infrastructure drives global trade and economic growth.
Okay, we are aligned. Bring it in 10 feet, slow and steady.
10 feet, slow and steady, looking good.
The legacy of heavy industry stretches across continents. Months of planning, engineering, and precision come together in a single monumental achievement.
Behind every mega project stands the dedication of countless skilled workers.
From empty ground to towering landmark Winnie, progress happens one lift at a time. Even the final components are placed with absolute precision. With one final activation, the megastructure comes fully to life.
What was once a construction site now becomes a living, working facility. As one project ends, the next already begins.
The giant moves forward, ready to build once again.
Over time, one project becomes the foundation for an entire modern city.
Mega construction doesn't just change skylines to Candiator. It supports millions of lives.
The machines that built the future now stand as silent witnesses of progress. Behind every giant structure lies human vision, precision, and determination. From steel and vision, the future is built, one lift at a time. Long after the work is done, the giants of industry remain standing tall. Every sunrise brings new structures, new challenges, and new progress. With every project completed, another begins.
Across the world, heavy industry continues shaping the modern era.
From raw steel to world-changing structures, this is the power behind progress. As one city finishes rising, the next begins. Every mega project begins with a single powerful lift. Progress multiplies across the skyline.
The giant never rests, building the future day after day.
Knowledge passes to the next generation of builders. Together, fleets of giants reshape entire regions.
Mega construction becomes the backbone of civilization.
More than a machine, a Pumbaa, a symbol of engineering achievement. After endless motion comes a moment of peace. Strength meets precision at extreme heights. This single lift weighs more than hundreds of cars combined.
One wrong movement, and disaster could strike.
In milliseconds, the safety systems take control. This machine was built to carry the weight of the future. Before a single real lift begins, the crane must prove its strength.
This lift pushes the crane to its engineered limits.